Okay, you guys, here we go. Look at this. It's finally stopped snowing here in Pensacola, Florida. Look at this. Look at that snow. Look at that. That is a foot of snow at least.
When we
Look at this. You can't even see my stairs now at all. Going to check the mail. This is insane, you guys. An historic blizzard has occurred. It has occurred on January the 21st, 2025, the day after Trump's inauguration. Florida froze over. Crazy.